everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Beverly here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, and I was super excited to create a super different type of look using the new Colourpop palette. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in our monthly giveaways, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to turn on your post notifications, hit that bell button so that you never miss a video. Make sure that you are subscribed, and if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment done down below to be automatically entered. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I just used it as a primer, so I just applied it all over my eyelid, and then I set everything in place with some translucent powder. The palette that I went in with is the brand new Smoke Show eyeshadow palette from Colourpop, and I was super excited to try this out. So yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. The first shade that I went in with is Slated, which is kind of like a super cool tone gray shade, and I picked it up with a defined angled brush. And you guys, I don't usually work with shades of these types of tones, so I was kind of nervous, but I was so shocked with how pigmented and blendable these shades were, and it honestly made me fall in love with cool tone eyeshadows all over again. So I just started to create a line above my actual crease, and I winged it out in the outer corner, and pretty much we're just mapping out where we want to add definition in the crease. Next I went in with Stone Face, and this is a really light gray eyeshadow, and I just wanted to use something lighter to blend out that line. And I did go back into Slated as well, just to make sure that it's nice and blended, and I feel like I am really obsessed with how the crease turned out. And then I went in with my Too Faced concealer once again, just to clean up all over the lid. And since we are doing a double cut crease, you do want that first initial crease to be a little higher than you normally would, and you'll see why in a second. I went in with the shade Slated once again, and I started to add that second crease, and I wanted it to be right in the center part of my lid. And this is pretty much just mapping out. It looks really weird at this phase, but I promise the final product will be super stunning. Not to toot my own horn. Oh my god, that sounds so conceited. And then I went into Starstruck, which is this beautiful silver metallic shade, and I just packed that all over. And as you guys can see, I covered up that line, so it just looks a lot better. And then I wanted to add some glitter, so I went in with my Venus glitter from Violet Voss and my NYX glitter primer, and I just packed that glitter all over where we just applied that silver shade. And as you guys can see, it just adds such a nice bling to the look, because I feel like when you're working with cool tone eyeshadows, it can kind of look a little boring, at least in my opinion, because I'm so used to working with warm tone shades. Those just excite me the most, so I just thought I would throw in some glitter to bring it back to life. And then for lashes, I went in with my Sofie Bella lashes, and for those of you guys that don't know, Sofie Bella is our lash brand. We appreciate every single one of you guys that has placed an order on our website and supported us. I went in with the style Barbados. It's one of my favorite styles, and it's actually almost sold out, so if you're interested, then definitely check it out. I will always leave a link in the description box down below. And I went in with a black pencil in my waterline. And then I went in to Stone Face, and I also went into Slated as well. But first I went in with Stone Face, and I just put that all over my lower lashes just to start to bring some color. And then I went in with Slated, and I focused the shade mainly on the outer corner. And the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!